We will have Bray Wyatt joining us tonight because I said so. That's why. Hi. Hey, Vincent. Shukru. All right, Shukru. Hello? Okay. You haven't heard from in a long time. From me? From me? Yeah, I'm not really on here a lot. I don't talk a lot, I guess. No, it is not. Thank you. Mauricio. Thank you. Oh yeah, I don't really talk to anyone on Snapchat. I have so many people on there, and I've ignored them all. Sorry. My eyes itchy. What's everybody doing this weekend? I'm over here bored AF. Well, it was just like on a podcast, and so I thought like I'd just keep the vibes going on here, but just at my dad's house. Burp already. This guy just asked me to burp already. Did you like just get in here? I think you can scroll back and you can see some of the comments that are like, great burps, love the burp. Oh my god, you're amazing, you're a legend. I love you. It's not my fault you came in at the wrong time. I tell you what, the last night on YouTube we had over 120 people in there, and I had over 1,000 people that saw it. Yo, it's Tina. What's good, homie? Do I like Twitter? I'm on Twitter, but do I like Twitter? Not really. Like, do I scroll through? No, like, I follow whoever I want to follow. I have notifications turned on for whoever I want, like, to see a tweet from, and then I don't scroll at all. Kind of the same on here and on Instagram. I scroll a little bit on Instagram and I scroll a little bit on TikTok, but mostly mostly my girl just sends me stuff and I send my girl stuff.
Oh yeah, thanks, Tina.
Misty girl. I do have bubblegum, bro. Oh my god, you're lucky I got bubblegum at the grocery store. You are so lucky. Have you been to Florida before? I have. I've been there many times. You missed the burps. I'll be burping. Thank you for the shares, X Tina. She didn't want no trashy heart, Kim. What the fuck? Gotta give her the real heart. No trash. From the other end, I don't know. Only farts. I've been good. I've just been waiting for the big news to to become available. That's real good news. But I can't tell anybody, man. Only a couple people know. Hey, shoe nice. I can't say. I'm not allowed to say. I signed an NBA. I'm trying to chew the gum, but hey, shoe nice. Oh man, Xtina, you missed it the other day. I got shoe nice so good. I hung up on him. Yeah. I got him with the volume trick and everything. It was legit. It was so funny. I called him and then I was like this. I was like, and then he was like, I can't hear you. And then he went to turn his volume up and I yelled at, there's something wrong with your volume. He said he got so embarrassed that he had to he had to log off for the night, for the day on TikTok. It was so good. Imagine doing a fake burp silently. I could never. It was funny. He said it's the best trick anyone's ever pulled on him. Can I be in your top 8, Shoe Nice? Who would be in your top 8 if you were on MySpace today? That should be a TikTok trend. Shoe Nice. Make a oh, he's gone. Just like a legendary Pokemon. Poof, he's gone. You have all of his pops. Which one are you missing? Because I have some. I just wonder if it's one of the ones that I have that you're missing. And I don't even know how many of them there are, but I do have some. And did you know that it's the anniversary of his death tomorrow? It's been 1 year. That's so sad. Who wants to come over and eat this with me? Oh God. That doesn't look. I hate bubblegum. I hate it. Sure, bro. In this economy, you can live with whatever you want. I had like 5 people calling me during that entire thing. It would have been so funny if I had answered them just seeing me playing with bubble gum. What the fuck? Bro, you call me. I don't call anybody. You see me over here. My hands are right here. But also, I got bubble gum all over my fucking finger. Just gonna piss me off all night. Yeah, motherfucker. What's good, DK? Okay, I'm gonna get age restricted, but I don't really care. Can I tell you guys something? The age restriction on TikTok doesn't make sense. Okay, hear me out. When you go live, you now get age restricted, which means no one under 18 can watch your live stream. You get a warning or you get a violation. Okay? So, mainly, you either get a warning or age restricted. Okay. Why are we age restricted people when they're not allowed to be on TikTok when they're under 18 years old? So it's like, why are we putting that limitation there anyway? If people are just gonna fake their age. They're just gonna fake the year they were born. They're just gonna keep making profiles. Like, why does the age restriction exist? It doesn't. Just get rid of it. Like, I don't know. It's just something that it's just been bugging me. And I'm not a TikToker. Like, yeah, I be on TikTok every now and then, just goofing around and stuff. But I'm not on here religiously. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, that shit does not make sense to me. I understand they can't regulate it, so that's why they have to put age restriction. But they're lying about their age anyway, so who is there to age restrict? Think about it. Who is there to age restrict? If there's nobody under 18 allowed on the platform. That doesn't make fucking sense. Fuck you, TikTok. You should have age restrictions for people like you. Let TikTok burn. Man, it's still all over me. I don't want to get it on my clothes either, so I'm just gonna like let it there. If kids are on TikTok, it's their parents' fault. Yeah, oh, no doubt. But I'm just saying, like, they're gonna be on whatever it is, right? Let the kid, they're gonna do whatever they want to do. There's no stopping the kids, but stop age restricting our lives when there's nothing. Don't age restrict our live streams when you can't even enforce that. You know what I'm saying? You can't even enforce that. So, yeah. Well, but ultimately, when it comes down to it, Laz, you're right. But I'm just saying, it's just a silly thing. Doesn't bother me none. I just had to complain a little bit about it, though, because it's just silly. My question is it cool for an adult to live? I said yes in this economy. Do what you want. Live with whoever you want. It's the internet. Exactly, bro. Zoidberg. That's good.
Oh yeah, Zoidberg.
Dude, for real. And I don't even comment. I don't even scroll through. I barely comment on TikToks. Yeah. Because you will get in trouble for a comment. And then you might even get, like, you know, in trouble for that. It affects your live streams. Like, it's crazy. The shit that I've seen. It's crazy. It's like, it's a pretty powerful app though, if you think about it. It's kind of scary. But you enjoy your shower, mate.
Oh yeah.
The internet just in general is cray. You know what I'm saying? Cheers to the internet. 'Cause I'm on there. So look at my crazy ass. What's everybody doing this weekend? Do you think Simon had a little crush on you? No. Why would he have a crush on me? I'm just like... He won. You know, he's got his eyes on the prize. He's got his eyes on money. He doesn't have his eyes on me. I think that he enjoyed my talent. And I think that he enjoyed my entertainment value for his show. I don't think he has a crush on me. But we love Simon. How tall am I? This is 6 feet. Man's got his priorities mixed up. He's got kids. Oh, a kid? One kid? I don't know. He's got shows. He's trying to find the next big boy band. He's a busy man. Dude. Full speed ahead. I think he can, yeah, bubblegum and beer, I know, right? And they say a lot of things on those shows. But yeah, Simon does kind of tend to keep his mouth shut, I feel like. And he likes to stop people. He's like, stop if he doesn't like what he's hearing. And he's like, do you have another song? He didn't do it to me, but I'm just saying, I've seen it done before. Yeah, actually, like, it's funny because I was trying to say that, like, Simon Cowell is, like, my favorite, like, because he's just got, like, an attitude, you know, and he's just funny, and you're from Proctor, West Virginia. That's awesome. I'm doing great. My favorite movie, I have a couple favorites, but I don't know, man, like, the one that always makes me so happy and makes me laugh, and I know all of the words, is A Night at the Roxbury. I'm from Virginia. We be neighbors. We be neighbors, mate. Good day. I love me some Guardians of the Galaxy. The first one. I'm gonna make a joke, but it's only funny to me. I really like Step Brothers. That's such a good movie. And some like other random like movies that you can like sing to and stuff like that. I like to sing, so if there's like a movie that's got good like soundtrack or good songs in it. I like that. Um, yeah. Farting, I know, right? What's good? Sorry, I'm annoying with my bubble gum. Sparkling water gives me the hiccups. That's what's up. I was thinking about making some TikToks tonight. I haven't been doing that lately. I just don't know what to do anymore. Actually, I do need to start making TikToks because if they're over a minute long, I can get paid for them now. This is pretty dope. Yeah. Hi. Thank you. Yeah. I got this glow guy. I love him. And I got this guy. I got him in London when I was on Britain's Got Talent. And I'm going somewhere else. I'm gonna get another tattoo. And at that location. Classified. The suspense. I just don't know if I should get a heart or an alien face. This is so lame. Should I get a heart or an alien face? I have stars already. And I'm like, maybe since I have like stars, sun, cloud, thunder, rain, maybe I should stick to like a nature like theme or whatever. But I just love aliens. They're so cute. Shut the fuck up.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? How's everything? Good?
Oh yeah, of course. How are
Nice to meet
you?
you. Good. How are you?
Okay.
Where are you from?
America.
Same here.
Where are you from?
Same, LA.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
All right. You want to play around?
Sure. I'll play around.
Sure. What state you are?
Virginia.
Nice.
Yeah, we're
You guys
on
have
opposite.
weird level weathers.
You like the weather in Virginia?
Yeah, I like it. I like how crazy it can get sometimes.
Yeah, you get a little bit of everything, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
LA is just kind of like hot and dry.
Yeah.
All the time.
The weather here is boring. Like you kind of expect it.
Right, it's always.
It is.
I can see that.
If I'm echoing, I'm sorry. Okay.
That's okay.
What do you do in Virginia?
Mm, I'm a
I'm a
burp
bird
queen.
queen. Bird queen?
I can't do music. I can't do music. I wasn't being rude. I just don't want to have to edit the music out. I'm just being lazy, not rude. There's a difference. Cheers, Bray Wyatt, Wyndham Rotunda. I can't say that. Wyndham Rotunda. Oh, an echo, dude, you're so right. Hold up, though. You know what? You know what? Where is it? Where is it? Ooh. Ooh. There it be. There it be. How was that? Was that pretty cool? Did we all hear that? No, it wasn't funny. Let's see again. Okay, Stormtrooper. How was that? Was that funny? The Stormtrooper voice? Was it good? Do we like the chipmunk better or okay, so there is echo. Wow, there's megaphone, there's vibe crisp, vintage, electronic, melodic. Which one do you want me to do next? I'll just pick one. I can't hear it. Like, so I'll do C3PO. C3PO. Echo, okay. I have to watch SmackDown right after I get off of here, actually. I'm missing it to be on TikTok. Okay, I'm putting it on Echo. How is it? Is it echoing really bad? Echo, echo, echo. Oh, shoot. Yeah, no, I know. 8 o'clock. Well, for me, 8 o'clock every day. Sorry, what voice am I in? Echo. All right. Yeah, we gotta get a big one. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. And then when I feel a really big one coming, I'll put the echo on. Auto tune? There's an auto tune? Dude, that would be some crazy shit. I can't wait to actually download and hear it because I can't hear it. Only you guys can hear it. It's no fun. I want to hear it too. Yeah, as soon as I finish this beer, which I have like 3/4 left, I have some water down there, but I am gonna log off, go watch wrestling, and just relax for the rest of the night. We have a pay-per-view Bash in Berlin next weekend, so that should be cool. All right, let's get a big one going for the echo. Let's get a big one going for the echo. Echo, echo, echo. Do you hear me? Echo. Is it echoing? It should be. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do burps in all of these one day. We're just gonna go through and do these Okay. Okay, those are some small on command ones. Let's see what a monster one's gonna sound like for this, though. Echo, echo. Ben 10. This is so, like, how old am I? What does this sound like? It was small compared to what I can do. That was still small compared to what I can do. We're just waiting. Echo, echo, echo. I have to
Download all of these though. I am a robot. I am doing the robot voice and the robot voice. Does it sound like I'm a robot?
Okay, back to the echo, echo, echo. Oh my god, I can't stand myself. Hello, darling. It's been a long time. Is that the right song? I probably said it wrong. My grandma used. I'm sorry, I have this on. I know. I want one too in the echo. I want a super loud one too in the echo. We're just waiting. My grandma used to listen to Conway Twitty all the time, and I used to call him Tweety. Conway Tweety. And she'd be like, don't say it like that. That's a nice thing. I'm making burping great again. Come on, guys. Am I? Am I for reals? That's all I wanted to do. I didn't want to be all like sexy and shit with it. I just wanted to have fun. And people started demanding shit. It just didn't become fun anymore. It sucks. People just want to take the fun out of everything and just want to hate you and stop appreciating. Trying to build up a monster. Wait, I got an idea. Ooh, I got an idea. You ready? You know what? I realized I may have ruined that because I added a little extra at the end so you guys couldn't hear the echo very well. So maybe I just like ruined it, but I'll try it again. We'll try it again because I'm still not done with my gum beer. How often do you belch in public? I don't know. Every day, every other day? No, I don't know. Not that often, honestly. You are part of my favorite segment, Elliot, ever. You are a true American hero. Sheesh, let's go. I was trying to drop it low just now. Shush. Keep it together, mate. Thank you. That's so sweet. I gotta call them on Monday. Oh no, I'll call them on Tuesday. Because I'll be like, it's my birthday. Wait, is my birthday on Monday or Tuesday? My birthday's on the 27th. So I think that's Tuesday. I can't wait to just like, oh my god, I have some big news and I just can't say it yet. Like, not allowed. And I'm just dying. I want to call Elliot so bad. And I want to say, but I can't. It sucks. Thank you for the happy birthday wishes. I will be 35. What was it? What was the rhyme I made up for being 35? I'll think of it another day. Time. But yeah, I'll be 35. It's like, whatever. We're still having fun. The 30s is where it's at. All right, 25 in January. Burp and drive, you're 35. Ride hard, queen. Drive them into the sea. I will crash and burn us all into the sea. Do you wear a size 12? No, I wear a size 11. I just watched your Sprite shotgun video and that burp was great. I have like 6 burps in that video. I just can't stop burping in that video. I wear a size 6. Get him out of here. Oh my god, embarrassing. Don't ever come into my chat again with a size 6 foot. Ick. What the shit? I was just joking. He can still watch me. He just can't comment. I just muted him. Sprite is probably, yeah. Sprite or milk. Or anything bubbly. Really. Yeah. I was kidding. I wear... Oh, you're back? Is this your backup account, brother? Little size 6. Beer burps are good because Amber Heard's turd. She made a grumpy. Don't follow me, Amber Heard's turd. You are weird, bro. I know that's your fucking backup account. Someone on here that I just muted. Just say you're from Shoe Nice. Thanks for loving my burps. I just like to make people laugh. Same, bro. Same. And we have that in common. My favorite part of the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial was when he called the turd a grumpy. So you should change your name to Amber Heard's Grumpy. If you don't, it was Grumpy. If you Google it, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, but if you Google Johnny Depp grumpy, you'll see the sound clip of him talking about her dropping a grumpy. Like, I've never heard of that. Like, that's like when you see Billy Madison and they put the bag of poop on the teacher's front porch and he's like, he called the shit poop. And they just start cracking up laughing. Oh my god, it's just so funny. Well, promise me you'll Google it right now. Go to YouTube or even TikTok or Instagram probably or Twitter. I don't know. I'll just be like Johnny Depp grumpy. And there'll be a picture of him on the stand talking about her dropping a grumpy. You do remember that? I'm not the only one I know. Near your mouth, your burp is more... Oh, yeah. Probably. You were really on Britain's Got Talent? Yeah, I was on Britain's Got Talent. It's pinned on my shit. And it ain't gonna be the last show I'm on either. I just can't say anything about it. To do what in real life? To burp really loud? I've been doing it my whole life, so how far has this carried you is incredible. Thank you. I appreciate that comment because I have only been on TikTok for like 3 years. It'll be 3 years in September. No. I've been on TikTok for 3 years, but I've been really showing my face. So it'll be kind of like 3 years since I've shown my face. And 3 years coming up on the original burp TikTok video, which I think I should repost it. But yeah. And I broke my record a year ago in April, and I was on Britain's Got Talent, which aired in April of this year, and I'm doing a bunch of other shit too. So I'm just having fun, man. How did I get my start? I was just fucking born, bro. Just born a legend. I don't know, honestly. TikTok. Like, seriously, I say fuck TikTok, but TikTok's really how this all got started. So I should be like, thank you, TikTok, but... And now I'm at 10,000 followers. That just happened, like, last week. 2 weeks ago, me reaching 10K. And I have a pretty decent following on YouTube. I'm getting paid on both platforms just to burp. Thank you. And if you want those old lives with my sister, they're on my YouTube channel. Seriously. And my sister is great. She can burp super loud. I told her she needs to be the one going for the record, but she says she doesn't want to, so... So yeah, definitely if you guys aren't following me on YouTube or like Instagram, I'm over there, and I would love the support. I would love the follow. Finished with the gum, yeah. You know how I get bored with the gum really fast, Justin. But we had a little bit of fun tonight. It wasn't really a popular stream, but we had a little bit of fun. We met some new people. We had some fun. And I was on a podcast tonight. So that's kind of cool. No. Wow, these guys look stuck.
All good, bro. Justin from Pub having a can now. Hey, what's up, Kimmy?
It was good.
So, What you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh, just hanging out.
What is
We're
that?
just chatting
What
to
is
your
that behind
fucking
you?
next
What is that behind
down
you?
here.
This is Bray Wyatt. He's a wrestler. Was. He
And
passed away.
does he
Did
want to
couple of years
wrestle
ago.
Eddie or do
and
you?
did he actually look like that?
No, that's a
This
mask.
is how he. This is the Fiend. This is his character, the Fiend. He actually wrestled. Yeah.
What was his real name, Kim?
So you're a big
Number
fan of
Thunder.
So you're a big fan of wrestling, yeah?
Yeah, I'm a huge fan.
All right, right. So would you smack your ass on the octagon with other wrestlers?
Would I smack my ass in the
You know, like
octagon?
when they get on the ropes and then they jump on the other contestant.
Eddie's a sumo wrestler, so he knows all about this. He's trying to let
Like,
you know.
would
what
you
it is.
would you get on the ropes and would you jump your ass on somebody's face?
I got my own finisher, actually.
You got your own finisher.
Yeah.
So like, who finishes you off? Yeah.
No. The finishing move. I
What
have
is
my
it, Kim?
own finisher.
Right. Who finishes you off? Yeah, I get it.
Kim, what's your signature move?
And when that happens, does it feel good? Oh boy, yo, I
Dirty
fucking
bastard.
love women like that, man. I love a woman with balls, man. I fucking do, man. I fucking do. You want to marry me?
No.
Okay, well then go fuck yourself.
619 out of RKO. Which is better, the 619 or the RKO?
See, you
Hey,
feel
Michael, do you know what the
aggressive to
RKO
everyone that
stands
turns
for?
you down, Eddie.
The RKO is
John
better
Gillen, I
than the
would love to,
619.
man.
It's
I
just
would
kind of like a little
fucking love
kid
to.
playing in the
You know
jungle.
what, John Gillen?
Kim,
How about
stay
me
out of
and
it. I
you
asked
go?
Michael.
But I don't think they have. Do they have wrestling events in Ireland? I don't even know if they do.
Yeah.
believe
There's
advanced
so many
wrestling-
Do
wrestlers
you not remember
from
Hornswoggle
Ireland.
or Finlay?
It doesn't matter
And
if they're from
if you
Ireland. I'm
remember
asking
wrestling-
if there are any event. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah,
I can't
for
stop
sure.
looking.
If they
Okay,
have
And if
wrestlers
you
that come from
remember
Ireland, then they
Wonder
start out there in Ireland.
Michael,
and they
RKO
make
no,
their
stands for
way.
yeah, but
Randy Keith
I've never
We're from Ireland.
seen
If you
like
want to
events
win,
in
you want
Ireland.
Ireland. No problem at all. You want fair
Have you ever
play?
been to Ireland?
Patrick?
You live
I'm
there?
from Ireland, love.
Oh, you from?
Patrick?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from there, love. So
We all are from
Patrick,
Ireland.
know
will
you.
you go out and show the fair play?
Kimmy, we all are from Ireland.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, sick.
Right, so
You
we've
tell me
got a
you're
fair
from
play,
America.
a man you know, so what's the story?
Do you wear a size 6 shoe? Are you asking
Dude,
me?
that guy
Emma?
was in my chat too, and I told him
No, my
never
size.
to disrespect
I
my
wear
chat
an
again
11,
with a
11.
size
My
6.
size shoe is 11. 11.
I'm an 11 too.
Your shoe size is 11?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Are you serious? No, I can't
That's
see
not a-
size.
That's a fucking 6.
Oh man, no, that's
Right,
fucking
up
big. Man.
higher, up higher.
Show me the number. Show me the size number.
Right, just a wee bit higher. Higher, higher.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
A wee bit closer.
Closer. Ah, you see what I mean? You're so fucking full of shit.
No, she does look your size
No,
11.
I'm not. Okay. I don't even give a
11?
shit. I have nothing to prove
You
to you.
wear a size 11? Your
Yes,
height is
bro. Do you want me to spell it out?
listen, your height is 4.2. How can you wear a size 11?
This is a 6 foot tall cardboard cutout.
Right. And
I am not 4 foot, whatever the fuck you just said.
you're
Well, I'm
4'2".
5'1.5", and there's no
4 foot
problem
You're
with me. I'll tell you one
4'2".
thing, small
And by
things
the
come
way,
in small packages.
you know, if you're a size 11, then you know what we have discovered, Patrick, Gemma? We have discovered the Bigfoot.
No.
Oh my God, the Bigfoot is alive. I swear, I thought he was dead or something.
So stupid.
What's going on, Bigfoot? Listen? When you like, do you hibernate? Like, do you eat a lot of watermelon and then
Wish,
go to sleep like for nine
dude.
months?
I wish I could. That would be so awesome. Just to like be like fuck everyone off for like half the year.
Yeah,
Hell
but
yeah, I wish I could.
but you would still finger yourself for about 9 months.
What the fuck? I
What do you
love you.
mean?
You're not funny at all. Like
What
I'm
do you
way
mean
more
I'm not
funnier.
funny? I'm not supposed to be funny. I'm stating facts.
Hibernating,
You literally
hibernating
just
intense.
listen.
Hibernating. No, no, no.
You
You listen to
literally
me. The
just
definition of
said,
hibernating is sleeping.
you
So how could
literally
I be
just
fingering
said
myself
you're
if I'm
size 11.
sleeping?
Hey, oi. You literally just said you're size 11.
Yeah,
Right.
because I am. You asked me, and I said we
How
had
the
something in common because
fuck do
you
you
said you were
even
size
get through the
11.
door with a size
So
11?
I was trying to relate to you.
So basically, if you're a size 11, you don't even need to wear them. What do you
Yeah,
call
I
them
think
when
so
you
too.
listen? You know when you go snorkeling, swimming, you don't even need them pads,
Hey,
right?
Kim, accept the battle, Bigfoot.
Oh, I used to
Like
be a swimmer. I used to actually
Who's your
compete in
second?
swimming, and I used to be first
Yes,
place
sir.
Oh,
like all the time.
no, Kimmy, but I mean
Kimmy, will
like
you accept the
Kimmy,
bottle, please?
I mean like if you go swimming,
You're my
yeah,
No,
team,
I don't want to
and you
Kimmy.
battle
know
y'all.
them,
Y'all are fucking
Kimmy,
lunatics. Like I hate this
Kimmy,
conversation right
Kimmy.
now. Honestly, wow. I was trying to like counter them, but I just couldn't anymore. It was difficult for me to put up with the stupidity. We all know that I'm way more funnier than they. What was that? He was so annoying. It wasn't even funny. Like, if you're gonna do that, like I see what he was trying to do, but he wasn't funny at all about it. I didn't even want to show off my skill or talent or anything because I was just like, he doesn't deserve my attention. You guys, the fans of the burps, deserve the good shit. We're not wasting the good burps on losers. But anyway, that being said, I need another beer. You're welcome. I'm out of here, guys. Have a good night, everybody. And I hope that maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do you guys want to hang out again tomorrow? Bye.